Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own fake Vogue cover. Whether you wanted to pull a prank on your friends or you need it for a school project, whatever it is, today I'm going to show you just how to do that. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first step is to choose a photo where your subject stands out from the background. That way, when you put the Vogue text behind her, there's a nice contrast and it's distinct and makes the magazine cover look really crisp. Great, now that you have your photo, we're going to make a copy of the current layer by pressing Command J. Now that you have a copy of that layer. And then we're going to choose the type tool and we're going to type in Vogue. The most important part here is that you have the Vogue font. Now if you don't have the Vogue font, don't worry. Go on thefont.com and type in Vogue and download the first one that pops up. It's free and it's easy to install, and after you've done it, we can begin working on it in Photoshop. Great. Now that we typed in this Vogue text, we're going to move it to the middle. And as you can see, it's way too small for our cover. So we're going to press Command T to transform, and we're going to hold Shift when we rescale it. That way it's proportionate. And let's just move it to the middle. That big. Let's move it to the middle. Perfect. And go up a bit. Beautiful. That looks good. Press enter and there we go. Now we're gonna move into her face. See where the text is covering her face? We're gonna erase that part out. So make sure your Vogue layer is selected. We're gonna choose the eraser and then it's gonna ask us if we want to rasterize it. Click OK and now we zoom in. And now we slowly just remove the parts where she's being covered. This is a rough idea. And check it out. That looks amazing. However, to make it more interesting and realistic, we can add text to the side of the cover. Also, let's go back into our type tool here. And we're just gonna type latest street fashion. Perfect. Now let's go back to our moving tool, Command T, and scale it up again. Place it in the bottom corner. Perfect. So thank you so much today for following the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was easy to follow. Feel free to add more stuff to your cover as well, so eventually it looked like this. Alright, what's good? We're done here today. I hope you enjoyed what you made and feel free to share with your friends and family, pull a prank on them, make a fake Vogue cover. Well, that's what I did and I loved the reaction. It was pretty funny. Check it out for yourself. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. My phone is slipping out of my hand, so peace out.